from people. So they like much to stay close to the people. Where it's camping site, where it's lodges, you find those monkeys there around. They're stealing your food. The Vervet Monkeys. Nowadays they're okay, but in the 1980s